Hunting to me has always been about the connection with the earth and the role I feel I play in the world. I often get criticized, berated, and even cursed at for my love of hunting. Those that don't see, won't hear, and can't feel what it is to be me, nor do they know the connection I have with nature and its beings. I spent a lifetime searching for this connection, and with each day I spend out in the field, I feel my connection grows deeper. My self-awareness and self-discovery of who I am becomes more evident. It's never been about the kill for me. I don't need game meat to survive or to feed my family. I don't need to come home with the biggest or the best trophy, but I do need the connection to what I am, and that is a hunter. It's something deep-rooted in me and was evident even as a little boy. A past life, a primal instinct, I'm not sure, but the one thing I'm sure of is that when I'm out there, it's the only time I feel like I'm me. First evening, this is our first buck. Spotted him as laying underneath the tree over here. Let's see if we can make a move on him. I can't find my earbud.
I left all my walkie-talkies. I figured we were all gonna be together.
They don't want to phone.
John, he's big. Hey, he's looking at it.
What's that?
He's looking at it. Oh, he's nice. He's fast.
Yeah,
I think he's silly.
Great shot. He's down.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Nice. Nice. Awesome. I had a feeling that if we got out tonight, even though we got out here really late, I had a feeling I was going to find a buck on this hill. I was actually on a good buck in here last year in the archery season with my cousin Anthony, and I couldn't make it happen. I'm glad we took this year. Never pass up on the first day what you would shoot on the last day. This is a good buck. He's not a Boone and Crockett, but he's pretty darn close. He's pretty darn close, and I'm happy. I'm out here with Ricardo from Let It Rip Outfitters. Ricardo, a good friend of mine. And then Billy They just got done with their hunt, so they decided to come help us out. We got 4 guys out here today, and 4 guys out here this weekend that got tags, so hopefully it's a good start. Good start. We're not even supposed to start hunting until tomorrow. Well, I mean, the hunt already started. The tag's good already, but we weren't going to start hunting until tomorrow. And I said, you know what? We got about an hour and a half before light. Let's get out there. Well, let's get up here and see what we can find. Take a look at all these little faint trails. This is how these guys get around in these mountains. They're just these little faint trails. Every once in a while you come across one that's real beat up. But they're like little mountain goats. The Coues Whitetail, nothing like them, man. Once you hunt them, there's no going back. I mean, this is a fun hunt, and it usually takes a lot more work. We got a little lucky today, but again, one of the best things you'll ever do. You gotta try it at least once. As you can see, we're up here a ways, and this is the country that they live in. Just nasty, thick, tangled mess. I just saw a whitetail walking off over here because I'm talking loud. We didn't even know it was there. And he's just up here a ways. Coues Whitetail. You gotta do one of these to get your whitetail slam. It's by far the toughest deer in the whitetail slam. You gotta bring your A game. You gotta be in shape, which obviously today I'm not. Sucking wind like crazy. And you gotta really know how to use binoculars, because these guys, they don't call them the gray ghost for no reason at all. They can hide in the smallest amount of brush. Unbelievable. There he is. Oh, he's nice. He's nicer than I thought. He's nicer than I thought. Definitely nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. The cool thing about Coues here is that they're almost always in 8 or 10 point configuration. And a lot of times they got a lot of little spines, a lot of little gnarly things. This guy's got tore up ears. Look at him. Little bruiser. His neck's all swole up already. The rut doesn't start here for like another couple weeks. But this guy was getting ready. The old 300 did its job right here. 300 Ultra Mag. People always ask me why I use such a big round. Because I don't like to track. So that's my answer to him. Did its job. He's still laying in bed that he shot him in, so I couldn't be more excited. Unbelievable. First afternoon of the hunt, we just got here about an hour and a half ago. Started glassing. Saw a bobcat right at first, which kind of led me up in the same direction that I found him. So it was really good. Thanks, Ricardo. Anytime, boss.
Harmony with land is like harmony with a friend. You cannot cherish his right hand, but chop off his left. That is to say, you cannot love game and hate predators. The land is one organism. Aldo Leopold.